warm until back up in the sunlight. But I don't know if we've spotted them today. Maybe no. This past week or so, they've been very sneaky. They've been playing hide and seek. So this is the Shewater, which is the Banfield family's first cleaning boat. It is retired now, so you guys can already see it is our extravagant birdhouse. You can see Captain Ingrid in the front there. But we try to get them to do their white paint job on this boat there. As you can see, they've done a lovely job of it. Rather on this boat here. We don't have it now. But it used to just be an old crate fishing boat, but they just turned it into their cleaning boat and also used as a diving boat. And then in front of us is Broome, which is our diving boat. So it does look like Abby went out today. So the past few weeks we've had a big lot of new shell come in, and we've, like what you guys saw in the video where they're in the panels but they're on the ocean floor. That's what we've done with this new shell. We sunk it to the ocean floor because we want to tie the two waters here. And then Abby, which is one of our divers, she's been going down and she's been putting those panels for us. So you can see those yellow what looks like hoses on the front there. That's what they're connected to when they go diving, and that's how they get their oxygen supply down there. But we also use the diving boat to transfer during harvest time when we're transferring shell onto the farm. We use the diving boat because it's a lot faster than the cleaning boat. It takes about 45 minutes to get out to Hong on that one compared to the cleaning boat about an hour to an hour and a half on that. So they put down a bunch of mattresses for the shell and put the shells on the mattress so they don't smash against the floor and stress them out, and then they're just constantly washing down. But in front of us is the mouth of the creek, so you can just see where the water loops around there. That's where they take the diving boat and the cleaning boat out that way. Actually, I wonder if that's them coming in now. I can see a boat on the other side. It may actually be our cleaning boat coming in. I do have problem with that, so it could just be another boat, but we'll find out soon, I guess. Oh, you guys are unlucky. They've made a boat before you guys could get off the farm. Look at me thinking. They know it. But no, they do need 4 meters of water in the mouth of the creek to get the boat out and to get the boat back in. So they are very dependent on what the tides are doing, from what time they start in the morning and what time they need them back by. If they've got the times wrong, then they miss that chance of getting back in with that road. And you off the first turn off Cape Levy, and you follow it all the way to the end. It'll then take you to some bush tracks, and you can follow those bush tracks, and they do veer off into different ways, but one of them will take you out to that